Where the hell are we? Everything is in Japanese, man.
Hi, this is Lars from Noma. We don't know exactly where to go.
Every day it's a grind. Get ready. Lunch, dinner. Why don't we do that at a new place?
René said, I want to bring everybody over. I'm going to move the whole restaurant to come to Japan.
Let's have fun. Noma in Japan. What is that? It's a mega risk. What if people don't enjoy the menu?
René here puts the pressure on us.
It doesn't taste Japanese at all. It's clumsy. Oh, just move on.
To come up with this totally new menu, new ingredients, new techniques.
It's like opening a restaurant from scratch. Feels like in the beginning. Only difference is that back then we were nobodies.
This one has what we're looking for.
If you let cooking and staying in a kitchen absorb every inch of your life.
The normal person doesn't understand what we are doing.
It's wild, man.
We opened reservations and already now there's 58,000 people on the waiting list.
When is this thing over? Get me out of here.
Come on, hustle, 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 hustle.
Come on, quick.
We're gonna have to nail it.
Guys, you're making us a shame. We're tasting ants.